Programming a smart key fob for your 2011 to 2014 Lincoln MKS can be done at home. This process teaches your car to recognize your new fob. First, ensure your MKS is unlocked and no keys are in the ignition. Insert the new fob's key blade into the ignition. Cycle the ignition to the accessory position by pressing the key to turn on accessories without starting the engine. Next, immediately press and hold the lock and unlock buttons on the fob simultaneously for 5 to 10 seconds. The car horn should chirp, indicating programming mode. If you have multiple fobs to program, repeat the button press on each fob sequentially. Turn the ignition off to exit programming mode. Test the fobs by locking and unlocking remotely. This method works for up to 4 fobs. If programming fails, first check your fob's battery. A weak battery is the most common cause of failure. Reset the car's system by disconnecting the battery for 10 minutes. This clears any temporary glitches. Use an OBD2 scanner to check and clear PATS codes, such as U1900 for communication errors. Ensure you're using a genuine or compatible Ford Lincoln fob with the correct 314 MHz frequency. Experts emphasize patience. Perform each step slowly. If DIY fails, professional reprogramming costs $100 to $200. Modern trends include phone apps for entry functions and diagnostic tools to reduce errors. Improper attempts can cause security lockouts, requiring dealer reset.